Hey, what's up guys? What's going on? I wanted to tell you a little bit about a product I've been using. This is the second time I'm using it. So I used it for about a month the first time, and I definitely feel like I saw results. So it's Nature's Bounty Hair, Skin, and Nails Vitamins by Optimal Solutions. They're health and beauty vitamins with biotin. I bought them not so much for, of course I want hair, skin, and nails to look good, but I bought them specifically for my hair because people were telling me for years, I'm like, my hair doesn't grow. They told me to try biotin, which I have tried. Didn't work out so great. But this product I haven't tried, and it's really trusted, and I heard so many good things. I'm like, let me give it a whirl. So they have 3,000 mcg per serving of biotin, which is great. That's definitely high. Great for keeping your skin looking nice, your hair shiny, your hair growing, your nails growing, and your nails looking healthy. Very important. This is actually the #1 brand for hair, skin, and nails. And I like their little slogan, beauty starts on the inside. Very true. So this is what I really like. Try to look for this in products. No artificial flavors, guaranteed quality, laboratory tested. Hopefully not on animals, because I don't like that. No artificial color, no artificial flavor, no preservatives, no sugar, no milk, no lactose, no gluten, no wheat, no yeast, no shellfish, and sodium free. And then I know if you're pregnant, they have this little warning. If you're pregnant, nursing, or taking any medications, you have to consult with them first, because you have to consult with them before using any biotin dosage over 2,500 mcg per day. And this is 3,000 per serving, and I believe you're supposed to take 3 vitamins a day. That would be like 9,000 mcg, so you just got to watch with that. Make sure you consult with the doctor if you're pregnant or nursing. Let's move on to the back, to the supplement facts. So serving size is 3 caplets. So directions for adults: take 3 caplets daily, preferably with a meal. So there's 60 coated caplets per jar, so I think that should be good for like 20 days, I believe it is. There's vitamin A. They have a lot of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, which is important because especially in New York, I feel like everyone, including myself, is vitamin D deficient, probably because we don't get much sunshine most of the year. It has a lot of that. Vitamin E, and then it has all these other vitamin B12, the biotin, of course, which is the most, very important. Calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc. So I purchased this because of the biotin, but I really purchased it because it has other benefits to it as well. Like, I like that it has, like this vitamin D and E and these other things that are great about it. Also, for people that, I don't have this issue, but I know some people do have, there's like you could pull this top off, so it's like an easy, I didn't even take the plastic wrap off, but it's an easy top pull to open it. Just want to show you guys the capsules are really not big at all. So if you do have a problem swallowing pills, which I know like one of my girlfriends does, and she's like, I can't swallow pills. Look how big they are. They're so small. They're like literally like not even a third the size of one of my finger, and I have small hands. I don't know if you could tell by the video, but they're really small. So I always suggest, if you have trouble swallowing pills, then just take it with a spoonful of applesauce or yogurt. Take it with a spoonful of that. It'll maybe go down easier than if you were to drink it with like water or a drink or something like that. So that's just my suggestion. Antioxidants it has in it, C and E. You get 100% or more daily value of 9 nutrients, which is awesome. Being healthy is always beautiful with Nature's Bounty Optimal Solutions. Our hair, skin, and nails formula. You look good and feel great. It contains just the right balance of nutrients to support lustrous hair, strong nails, and vibrant skin. Innovative formula provides you with the vital nutrients your body needs to support your natural beauty from within. B vitamins help with energy and metabolism, which is very important because I feel like I'm 28 and I feel like my metabolism is slowing down. So I definitely feel like I have to work harder at the gym. But this is great. This is so helpful. And biotin helps to maintain healthy hair and support healthy nails. Vitamin E and vitamin C are antioxidants. Vitamin C is involved in collagen production and formation, which forms the basis for vibrant skin. And vitamin A assists with skin maintenance and overall health. So overall, it's just so informative as far as like the box that it comes in. It just tells you so much information, anything you could want. Nutrition facts here on the back per serving. So many great things about it. There's a little thing on here for other ingredients. Vegetable cellulose contains 2%, less than 2% of gelatin. Natural palm. Vegetable magnesium contains fish, cod, cusk, flounder, pollock ingredients. Okay, so I think if you're vegan, because the gelatin, and I think if you're vegan and you don't eat fish, then it's not vegan friendly. So that's really probably the only thing about it, is that it's not vegan friendly. But everything else I think is really great. If you're looking to just, have your hair grow longer, more lustrous, and have nice skin, strong nails, I definitely suggest this. I hope you guys will try it out. Again, that's Nature's Bounty Hair, Skin, and Nails, and I hope you guys try it and love it as much as I do. Have a good night, guys.